Big Brother 27 has officially entered its most intense stage as the final head of household competition continues to unfold, and part 2 of the three-part battle has delivered massive results that are shaking up the expectations for finale night. With the season now down to the last 3 house guests, every move, every win, and every decision carries an enormous weight because it determines who will sit in the coveted final 2 chairs on finale night and who will get cut just short of the ultimate prize. Fans have been glued to the live feeds and eagerly refreshing for spoilers to find out which player could lock in their chance to compete in the final showdown for power, and tonight's reveal has not disappointed. The second part of the Ho is one of the most anticipated competitions of the summer every year because it directly pits the 2 house guests who did not win part 1 against each other in a challenge designed to test both endurance and mental skill. Historically, this competition often blends physical difficulty with a memory-based element, forcing players to prove how well they have studied the game and how much stamina they can muster under pressure. In Big Brother 27, the stakes could not be higher, and the 2 players who battled it out in part 2 knew that everything was on the line. Going into the competition, the first part of the final Ho had already been claimed, giving one house guest a free ticket straight to part 3, which will be wide live on finale night. That left the other 2 house guests facing off in a do-or-die competition where only one could secure the second spot in the final battle. The loser would have to rely entirely on social strategy, hoping to be chosen to go to the end rather than earning that spot outright. For viewers who have been following the dramatic twists, alliances, betrayals, and showmanship that defined Big Brother 27, the stage of the game feels like a culmination of months of strategy and manipulation. Each finalist has supporters and detractors, and the live feed community has been buzzing with predictions about how this part 2 result could shape the final outcome. As spoilers came in from the house, it was confirmed that the competition was grueling and nerve-wracking, designed to push the players to their limits. After an intense showdown that reportedly lasted hours, one house guest emerged victorious, punching their ticket to part 3 and securing a chance to fight for the most important Ho of the season. According to the live feed updates, the winner of part 2 was none other than the house guest who had been underestimated by many earlier in the season but who has proven to be a resilient competitor when it mattered most. Their win means they will now face off against the part 1 winner on finale night in the ultimate test of knowledge about the season. This head-to-head battle will determine who holds all the power to decide the final 2. The outcome of part 2 also sends a clear message about how unpredictable this season has been. Just when fans think they know who has the momentum, the tides shift dramatically and Big Brother once again delivers shocking turns. With this result, the path to the $750,000 grand prize is clearer for 2 of the house guests but much more precarious for the one who lost tonight. That house guest now finds themselves vulnerable, relying solely on the goodwill of whoever wins part 3. The social dynamics of the final 3 will now be tested like never before. Alliances that were once solid are starting to fray under the pressure of the looming finale. Promises have been made and broken, and every house guest is keenly aware that sitting next to the wrong person in the final 2 old mean losing the game. The winner of part 2 has not only guaranteed themselves a shot at power, but also strengthened their case for jury votes. Winning at this late stage in the game is a huge resume booster, especially in a season where the jury has been keeping close track of competitive performances. For fans analyzing jury management, this victory could be the key that shifts how the jury perceives the eventual finalists. On social media, reactions to the part 2 results have been explosive, with fans debating whether the winner made the right moves throughout the season to deserve the crown or if they will be overshadowed by their competition in part 3. Some argue that their underdog storyline makes them the most compelling potential winner, while others believe their gameplay has relied too heavily on luck and last-minute wins. Meanwhile, the house guest waiting for part 3 has been strategizing carefully, knowing that their fate depends on how well they can perform in the final quiz-style showdown. This player has been rehearsing days, events, and competitions in their head, preparing for the moment when everything comes down to how well they can recall the events of Big Brother 27. The excitement for finale night is now at a fever pitch. With only days to go before the live finale, fans are speculating about who each finalist would choose to sit beside if they win part 3. The scenarios are fascinating because every possible final two pairing tells a different story about the season. Would the jury reward loyalty, cutthroat gameplay, or sheer competitive dominance? Big Brother history has shown that juries can be unpredictable, sometimes rewarding strong game moves in the other times punishing players for betrayals or arrogance. The results of this second Ho competition mean that the game is still very much wide open and the finale promises to be one of the most dramatic in recent memory. Whether fans are rooting for the underdog, the strategic mastermind, or the competition beast, the stage is now perfectly set for an unforgettable ending. Big Brother 27 has been filled with blindsides, emotional exits, heated confrontations, and unexpected alliances, and this latest result ensures that the season will go out with a bang. The winner of Part 2 has proven that they are not to be underestimated, and their presence in the final showdown makes this finale one that fans absolutely cannot miss. With all eyes now on the live finale, the question remains, who will win the most important head of household of the season, who will make the final cut, and who will walk away with $750,000 and the title of Big Brother champion? Only one thing is certain. The results of Part 2 have guaranteed that Big Brother 27 will end with fireworks, drama, and a winner who had to fight tooth and nail until the very last competition. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more updates. News.